This is LeetCode number 89, grade code, and I'm going to explain like two different ways to solve it. But first, for people that don't know what it's about, is that grade code is like a way of writing numbers so that you go from one number to the next, but you only change like one bit at each time, like from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. So like it looks almost the same as the previous one. So here I wrote in the standard binary number order and the binary reflected grade code. Yeah. So the first way you can solve it is by using backtracking. And for the backtracking, the time complexity is O of 2 to the power of n. Space complexity O of 2 to the power of n as well. Yeah. And then for backtracking, you start from the beginning, so 0, and you look at every single possible answer. So you got 0. Actually, it makes sense more on this side. So you got 0, and then let's say you want to change, you decide to change this one, you get 2, 1. You decide to change this one, change it. But let's say you decide not to change it, so you get to like here. Yeah. It's a bit complicated, but if you code it, you eventually figure out how to do it. The second way you can use it by using XOR. So you may be questioning, like, what? So let's say you begin at 0. So, oh yeah, in case you didn't know what XOR is, it's like a logic function. Think of it as like a logic function. So like, let's say, so these two columns are input. So let's say you have 0 and 0. They're the same, so you get 0. But you get, how about 1 and 0? You get 1. 0 and 1, you get 1 as well. But 1 and 1, you get 0. So XOR wants it so they're different. So either 1 or 0 or 0 or 1. Then you get 1. Let me erase all of this. It'll take some time. Okay, so let's say you keep doing it and then you get to this one. So it's the number 2. So in binary form you get 0, 0, 1, 0. And then for the grade code form, you look at the first one. The first one is going to be the same, 0, but then you check the next one after, compare it. So you compare this, well, they're the same, so you put 0 again. Then you check here. Oh, wait, they look different. So you put 1. And you check here. Oh, it's also different, 1. And this becomes 3. Yeah. This in in number form becomes 3. So that's how we use XOR to make it to get a better answer. So the time complexity is about O of 2 to the power of n, like the backtracking method. But what makes it better is the space complexity, which is O of 1. Yeah, you use constant space, unlike the backtracking, which you use about O of n, no, O of 2 to the power n. Yeah, a lot of stuff. Yeah, but I can remember all of it.